Hello there. So I'm recording this video to show you the progress of the project. So it's almost completed from our side. For now it's running on the localhost 3000. Here I have the code and the project is running on this terminal localhost 3000. So here we have the onboarding screens, the sign up screen, the login screen, forget password screen, all that. So let me get started with creating a new account. So I will name the account Mudassar. I will use the Yopmail as account to at the rate Yopmail, and for password I'll be using this. Okay. So my account has been created and now I log into my account with these credentials. Okay, so now I logged in as a user and this is the landing page of the user side. So basically all the contracts that are generated by that user or shared to that user will be shown over here. And second, we have the create contract page from where you can create a new contract. We have all the necessary fields over here, and on the pending screens page will be showing that contracts which are required to be signed by us. Okay, so let's get started with creating a new contract. Rahman Hotel Agreement. Okay, so let's select its MDA or category. We'll select the housing. Let select the reference document. I have selected this reference document. So let me show you what's the content in the reference document. This is the content in the reference document. So the AI will extract the contract from this reference document and generate the contract based on that. Okay, so I will write the name that you want to show in the first party, and the email will be pre-filled. It will be that email from which you are logged in to this account. The second party email is required, so I'll write zubair2@yahoo.com. Okay, in the additional context I will mention that this contract is for 1 year. Okay, so you can add anything over here. This is an additional text context. If you forget something in the document, so you can write over here. So as soon as the button is clicked, it will start generating a new contract for you. So it's generating the contract. So as soon as the contract is generated, it will redirect you to the details page of the contract. So here you can see the contract is generated and its detail is showing over here. So we have on the top we have 3 buttons over here. Preview as a PDF. So from this button you can basically see the preview of the document when it will be converted into the PDF and stored in the as they look. You can just see how the contract will look like in the PDF form. So it will look like this. Okay, so from the edit content section you can just edit the content, like you can edit or add some details over here, whatever you want. It's a fully text editor. You can add anything from here. Okay, you can bold the text, styling, etc, all that. When you click the save, the API will be called and the data will be updated on the backend side also. And the main feature, now we will sign the contract. So basically here you can see it's showing initiator name, initiator date. So basically this will be changed to the name of the person when you will sign. I'll click on the sign button. So the contract has been signed. Now let me show you. So the contract has been signed. Your name will be embedded here and the date and time on which you have signed the contract will be shown here, and the region of time that will also be shown over here. Okay, so now the second party signatures are pending and you can see the buttons on the top have been changed to share to second party. So on clicking on that button, it will ask you for a confirmation that send this contract to this email. So this was the second party email. So when I click on the send, the email will be sent to that second on this email to ask him to sign the contract. So let me come here and open. So here I have received the email. So basically this is Yelp mail, and you can see here this is the email template. I'll review and sign. Click on the sign button. Okay, sorry, I have already logged in. Let me log out first. Okay, so I'll click the review and sign button. So it will ask you to log in. So if you don't have already account on that email, you will have to create an account first. Okay, so I don't have account on that email, so I have to create the account. I will enter the name here to the email and the same email and the password. Okay, so once your account is created, you can log in. Okay, here, so I just logged in as the second user. So now the contract that is shared to you will be shown over here on the pending signatures page, because your signatures are pending on that contract. So here you can see with the awaiting status, this contract is being showing over here. If you, let's see, if you just close the tab and click on the button, if you already signed in, logged in the browser, so it will automatically redirect you to this page, and if you are not logged in, you will log in and you will directly land on this page. Okay, so here you will see the awaiting signature status and a sign contract button. So here you can also preview as a PDF, and you can read the contract, and here the first party name and the date of sign is already here, so you can just sign the contract. So on this step, now the contract is officially completed, like both parties have signed the contract and its status has been completed to change to completed. And here you can see the second party name is also embedded over here with the time. Okay, so now the PDF was generated of that document, and it was stored on the S3 bucket on AWS. Now when you click on this button, this PDF now you are showing it is stored in your S3 bucket for as a backup. Okay, so that's the main flow of the user side. So here on the my contracts listing, now you will see the agreement over here on this user and on this user also. Okay, and on clicking on the view details button, you can simply view the details of the contract as you have already seen. So these were the main features of user side. Now let me log in as a admin. So let me open. So I've opened the localhost link on another browser. So here I will log in as an admin. I have these credentials for admin. So now I logged in as an admin, and this is the landing screen of the admin, where you have the stats of the all the contracts, the draft contracts, the pending signature one, and the completed contract. So I was testing the contract creation process, so that's why I already have 24 contracts over here on my database. And here you will see the recent activities. So here you will see the contracts that were generated by users most frequently. The most recent contracts will be shown here, and you already have a pagination over here. You can control the pagination by here as well. And you will see the contract, and same on clicking the view details button, you will be able to see the detail of the contracts. Okay, so also you can view as a PDF over here. So that's the thing. Okay, and next you will have the MDA dashboard. So MDA dashboard, you will have these 3 static cards, and this 24 this count is coming from backend. So yeah, and all you have the drop down of MDAs on the top, where you can select the MDA type and filter the contracts based on it. And also you have the date range filter of these 3 options. So